Hey guys, today I will be teaching you how to make this paper airplane. It is a simple glider and it flies really well. Okay, so let's get into it. So this is how you make it, guys. So you fold the paper in half, the long way. And then you open it up. And then you fold the two corners to the middle where the crease is. So after you have done that, you fold the top down and make sure you leave a space so like it has like a gap right here. And then you fold the corners into the middle again. And then you fold this up. And then you fold the paper airplane in half backwards. And then you make the wings. So that's how you make it, guys.